Keyword research. Start by identifying relevant keywords and phrases that are related to your website or content. Use keyword research tools to find popular and low-competition keywords that you can target. On-page optimization. Optimize your website's on-page elements to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and URL structure. Incorporate your target keywords naturally into your content. High-quality content. Create valuable and engaging content that provides useful information to your audience. Focus on creating original, well-written, and relevant content that incorporates your target keywords appropriately. Link building. Build high-quality backlinks to your website from reputable and relevant sources. This can include guest blogging, social media promotion, influencer outreach, and directory submissions. Quality backlinks can improve your website's authority and visibility in search engine rankings. Technical SEO. Ensure that your website is technically optimized for search engines. This involves optimizing site speed, improving mobile responsiveness, fixing broken links, and creating a sitemap. User experience. Create a positive user experience on your website. Make it easy for visitors to navigate, find information, and engage with your content. Improve page load times, optimize for mobile devices, and use clear calls to action. Local SEO, if applicable. If you have a local business, optimize your website for local search results. Include your business address, phone number, and other relevant information on your website. Create and optimize your Google My Business listing. Monitor and analyze. Regularly monitor your website's performance using analytics tools. Track keyword rankings, organic traffic, bounce rates, and conversions. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Stay updated. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends, algorithm updates, and industry best practices. SEO is an evolving field, so it's essential to adapt your strategies as search engines change their algorithms. Remember that SEO is a long-term process, and it takes time to see significant results. Consistency, patience, and continuous optimization are key to achieving sustainable organic traffic growth.